My name's Julian John. I'm the Manager Director of Delsion. We're a people development consultancy based in Wales, but the majority of the work we do is around diversity and inclusion. The Purple Lighter is an initiative which takes place which recognises the contribution that disabled people make both to the economy and in the workplace. What's really exciting this year is that we've got Transport for Wales who are putting every single effort into supporting the Purple Lighter.
We've just partnered with Elite and are working on the Kickstart programme, which will be encouraging people with disabilities to be able to work within our organisation. As a result of doing that, we decided to set up a working group, which we now call the Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Working Groups. And we come together to represent every group of protected characteristics, but inclusivity within the whole organisation.
The importance of an ED and I group in any organisation is critical. As a disabled person myself, the Light Up Purple campaign is critical to us as an organisation, showing how we work with the disabled community and how we support our staff who are disabled.
Fi'n aelod o'r grŵp ED&I, a mae'r grŵp yn bwysig iawn. Mae'r grŵp yn gweithio galed i wneud siŵr bod popeth yn cymwys. Mae'n wych bod ni gallu bod yn rhan o'r digwyddiad Purple Light Up eleni i cefnogi pobl sydd efo anabledd yn y gweithle. Rydym yn gweithio'n galed i creu amgylchedd cynhwysol i'r staff sydd ni yn barod a hefyd amdano unrhyw staff sy'n mynd i ymuno â ni yn y dyfodol.